Here's an in-depth look at the GoPro HERO11 Black, covering its design, features, performance, and more. Introduction. The GoPro HERO11 Black is the latest iteration in GoPro's line of action cameras, known for their rugged build and high-quality video capture. This model continues the tradition of innovation with new features that cater to both casual users and professional content creators. Design. The HERO11 Black maintains the signature GoPro design, compact, sturdy, and waterproof. It's nearly identical to its predecessor, the HERO10, with the main difference being the updated labeling on the side. The camera is designed to withstand extreme conditions, making it a reliable companion for adventurers. Image sensor. One of the standout upgrades in the HERO11 Black is the image sensor. It's larger than the one in the HERO10, particularly in the vertical dimension. This change allows for more versatile framing options, especially for social media platforms that favor vertical content. Display. The HERO11 Black features a convenient front display that provides a live preview, which is particularly useful for vlogging or taking selfies. The rear touch display remains intuitive, allowing users to navigate through settings and review footage with ease. Performance. Performance-wise, the HERO11 Black shines with its ability to capture 5.3K video at 60 frames per second. It also supports 4K video at 120 frames per second for stunning slow-motion footage. The camera's new GP2 processor ensures smooth operation and efficient handling of high-resolution video. Stabilization. GoPro's hyper-smooth stabilization technology has been further refined in the HERO11 Black. It provides gimbal-like steadiness, ensuring that even the most turbulent activities result in smooth footage. Battery life. The HERO11 Black comes with the improved Enduro battery, which offers longer recording times and better performance in cold temperatures. However, for extended shooting sessions, carrying spare batteries is advisable. App and subscription features. GoPro offers a premium subscription service that provides cloud storage, camera replacement, and enhanced live streaming capabilities. The HERO11 Black integrates seamlessly with the GoPro Quick app, making it easy to edit and share content on the go. Price and availability. The HERO11 Black is priced competitively, offering excellent value for its features. It's widely available through various retailers and GoPro's official website. Conclusion. The GoPro HERO11 Black is a testament to GoPro's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what action cameras can do. With its robust build, high-quality video capture, and user-friendly features, it's a top choice for anyone looking to document their adventures with professional-grade footage.